Start. In a given case, it may happen that a person who has applied under the scheme and who was supposed to make payment on or before 30/6 2020 became seriously ill on 29/6 2020, and there was nobody to look after his affairs, and therefore he could not deposit the amount. Such inability was beyond his control, and thereafter, immediately on getting out of sickness, he tried to deposit the amount and approached the court. Can the court close its eyes and say that though there may be valid reasons and causes for that person's inability to make the payment, still no relief can be granted to him? Full stop. There may be extraordinary cases which are required to be considered on the facts of each case. Full stop. The courts are meant to do justice and cannot compel a person to do something which was impossible for him to do. Para. In supersession of all earlier treaties, a fresh treaty was entered into between the British government and the King of Sikkim in the year 1861. Full stop. Under this treaty, the territory of Sikkim was restored to the King of Sikkim under certain conditions. Full stop. These conditions included Article 8, under which the government of Sikkim was to abolish all restrictions on travelers and monopolies in trade between the British territories and Sikkim. Full stop. Under the said treaty, British subjects were permitted to trade, reside, and travel through Sikkim. Full stop. Many Indians came to reside in Sikkim over the years. Full stop. Except for the fact that they could not hold lands in rural areas, the Indians and other foreigners who settled in Sikkim were treated equally with the other original inhabitants of Sikkim. Full stop. Since a large number of eligible persons had been left out of the Sikkim subject register and were consequently denied Indian citizenship, Government of Sikkim issued a memorandum that for the purpose of seeking employment, those claiming to be locals should be able to show whether their parents' names are maintained on or before 15/5/1975 in the relevant government register. Full stop. In the year 1980, notification was issued that domicile certificate issued by sources other than district collector shall not be accepted as valid. Full stop. It appears that various representations were made against such a discriminatory treatment by the petitioners to the government of Sikkim as well as the Union Finance Minister time and again. Full stop. In the year 2009, the government of Sikkim appointed a committee to look into the grievances of the petitioners association. Full stop. The committee made certain recommendations which shall be dealt with here in below. Full stop. In my view, persons such as the petitioners and similarly situated persons are not entitled to the exemption under the explanation as it now stands full stop in the circumstances. In order to remove the discrimination, certain observations have been made and directions have been issued by me to the Union of India on the basis of reasons assigned during the course of my judgment, full stop. If those directions are complied with, the discrimination would be removed, stop.